even though we got diagnosed with hearing loss, that your voices are important.
I want people to know that kids with disability are smart. I know this because my brother who has autism can search up any Hmong movies that you can think of on YouTube.
What I want people to know is, although my mom has a disability, she's very social and strong.
I want people to know that as a sibling to someone with Cornelia-Ding-Lang syndrome, that they are still a human being with feelings and emotions just like anyone else.
I want people to know that kids with disabilities can learn. I know this because I've taught them.
Hi, this is Peyton. And he has autism, and he's a beautiful boy, just like any other child with all abilities, and he's really shy, and he just wants to say hi. Say hi.